How to add a nickname on Discord. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to add your own nickname on Discord. So what you need to do is open your Discord account. You can open the browser or either the application that you have. So what you can do here is you can open a server and you just need to drop down the button, and then here under edit server profile you just need to click on that option and you will be routed into this page. What you just need to do is to go under server nickname, and that's where you will be able to change your nickname on Discord. Here, you just need to click on it and then type in your new nickname that you want to change on Discord. So currently it's Z, so I'm gonna change it to Zia. Here. Once done, you just need to scroll down and then there's a green box button. You just need to click on Save Changes and then go ahead and click on the X mark. Once routed here, as you can see, when I type in a message, my nickname is now Zia. And then another option for you to change your nickname here is that on the chat box, you can actually click on / and then nick, and then you can click on nickname as the prompt option there. Click on it. And then here, that's where you can type in the new nickname that you want to change for your Discord. So I'll be changing it to Z with 3 eyes. And then as you can see, it is automatically changed on my server profile. As you can see, it automatically changed from Zia to Z. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.